My name is Patience Muntule, and I'm the Affordable Housing Champion for country. My role is to sell the solution across the country for my customers and make sure that I reach the set targets. Part of my role is to train my dear colleagues across the country on this new affordable housing solution, making sure that they perfect their skills so that they can actually assist our customers with the utmost quality customer service. As a solution that is different from mortgages out there. Letshego's unique proposition is to allow customers to build their dream houses across the country up to 100% LTV. They can actually settle their personal loans out there from their third parties, and with the left balance, they can actually build their dream house. One other thing is that we have developed our Letshego build such that we have pre-approved plans and pre-costed plans from the basic entry level to the advanced incremental level. What do I mean by saying basic entry level? Your shell model, customers can actually build from as little as 50,000 pula up to 1 million pula. They can actually start off with the 1-bedroom house, and then actually increment to other houses. You can actually extend from 2-bed and then 3-bedroom houses. What I mean is that you don't necessarily need to build a big house. And one can actually choose. There's a variety of plans that we have, with one of our local partners that we have pre-approved plans. Customers are able to choose plans that they want there. You can actually use your heaped roofing, your gable one, your flat roofing. It's up to the customer. One can choose whatever they want, and we are there to finance you guys. We have our Letshego digital app, which is very accessible and user-friendly for our customers. They can actually access it at the comfort of their own home at home. They can actually check the affordability, how much they qualify for. And then what we also do, we have what we call the Greenfields initiative. What we normally do, we go out there to the malls, to the customers, trying to explain this whole process to them, how our Letshego build works and how it operates and what we offer. We also present our solution to our external stakeholders out there for awareness. We also make use of our radio interviews as one of our marketing tools. What we normally do is that we constantly, review and develop our projects time and again so that we meet our customer needs. We actually give them access to this new Letshego app to them so that they can actually access them and see if it's user-friendly. So we normally help them and support them. We have a team of back officers. What they do, when they apply, they actually receive the application and call them and take them step by step on how to go about this whole application process for the affordable housing solution. Our affordable housing solution, we onboard customers with our Letshego digital app. It's an end-to-end process. Once they apply, they're going to be approved in the same manner. As we know that Botswana pride themselves in home ownership, I find it heartwarming for me to get to help a Motswana like me get to build their dream house using our different prototypes, using our different typologies, different plans for them to build their own house. You don't actually have to start off with a bigger house. You can actually start small by building a 1-bedroom house, and then you increment, extend those houses up until you have your big mansion. So that is one of the things that makes me happy, actually. And then we have another solution that we've introduced recently. It's called the 10-key initiative. What is 10-key? 10-key, what we normally do is that we build houses for customers. It's an end-to-end process. What we do, we take care of the admin of construction. And then at the end of the day, we give our customer the key. What it does to me is that we're actually relieving the customer. They don't need to worry about running around, getting to find valuers, project managers, and stuff like that. We take care of the rest, and then we actually present a complete project to them in the house. This is one of the things that fulfills me to the best, honestly.